Folding saws are a universally helpful piece of kit to have. They can easily be stored safely thanks to the blades being folded away, and as they're so compact it means you can save more space in your toolkit for other equipment. There are many products available to choose best folding saws, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bako Laplander Folding Saw. For campers, hunters, caretakers, and anybody else who loves the outdoors, the Bako 396 Laplander is the superior choice. It boasts a fabric-free handle with a 7.5-inch blade and 7 teeth per inch. A rust inhibitor coating not only helps the blade last longer, but also makes the teeth slide more cleanly over wood. We're also big fans of the handle. This saw just feels great to hold, almost like a well-balanced knife. We went up and down looking for a flaw in the Laplander, and in the end, the locking mechanism was the only thing we found to complain about. It locks the blade open or closed, but gives way a little too easily under pressure. All in all, we think that this is the best folding saw of the year. Number 2. Corona RazorTOOTH Foldable Saw. The Corona RazorTOOTH Folding Pruning Saw is one of the longest saws on the list, with a 10-inch blade that can handle both small branches and medium-sized limbs. The 3-sided teeth help make cutting much easier. It's also better priced than the Laplander at 1. It loses ground to the Laplander in other areas. The RazorTOOTH has only 6 TPI and a somewhat flimsier blade that's a lot easier to bend. However, there's still plenty to recommend this folding saw. One other thing we love is the handle, which encourages a comfortable grip. Despite the thinner blade, it's also got a long lifespan. We'd peg it around 18 months before you need to get a new folding saw. Number 3. Silky Pocketboy Folding Saw. Alright, so the name is terrible, but we're going to try not to judge the Silky Pocketboy by its cover. After actually using the Pocketboy, we found it to be a sharp pocket saw with excellent balance and a fast cutting speed. The rust resistance on the blade impressed us, as did the comfortable handle. To us, though, the best thing about the Silky Pocketboy is that it's actually able to fit in your pocket. If you're looking for a folding saw with a shorter blade, this one is for you. If you need to cut bigger limbs, however, you're better off looking higher up the list. Also, it's a pull-cut blade. Not only does this make it feel a bit unnatural if you're used to push cutting, but it also means the blade is more prone to snapping under pressure. Number 4. EverSaw Hand Folding Saw. Our pick for the best folding saw for the money is this 8-inch model from EverSaw. Featuring a high-carbon steel blade with triple-sided teeth and including a ribbed handle for an easy grip, EverSaw proves price isn't everything. Their attention to customer service boosts EverSaw even more. We've found them to be the best brand for responding promptly to complaints. This saw even comes with a lifetime warranty. The main thing keeping this folding saw out of the top spots is that the locking mechanism is even worse than the Laplanders. The blade will frequently swing open in your pocket. It also doesn't like to stay attached to the handle and often starts to rattle. Number 5. RexBeti Heavy Duty Folding Saw. The RexBeti Heavy Duty comes with an SK5 steel blade with staggered triple-cut teeth, a long rubber handle, and a lifetime warranty. Despite being one of the lowest-priced saws we tested, it performed super well, cutting through a 4.5-inch diameter log in 1 minute, 4 seconds. The locking mechanism is bright orange, making it simple to distinguish from the black handle grip, keeping you from accidentally folding or unfolding. For cutting larger diameter logs, the RexBeti performs well and won't cost you an arm and a leg as long as you're careful while sawing. Compared to triangular frame saws which provide a lot of support for the saw blade, the RexBeti's blade doesn't quite have the stiffness necessary to cut bigger logs. It probably isn't the best saw to take on overnight backpacking trips due to its weight and bulk, but for car camping or yard work, it should suit your needs very well.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.